Yeah, this is real country style, right? That's a wooden bridge.
Yeah.
Look at the water. See how still it is? It's like,
You can leave the cat.
huh?
You can leave the cat.
Oh, okay. How much?
30 baht.
Okay.
Oh, you can have it.
Huh? Wow. You can release the crab for 30 baht?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You. ต้องใส่ส้มตำให้ปูสะแหม
นี่แหละโอ้ส้มตำเลยเดี๋ยวนี้
Let's put some time.
มันหมดป่าซะแล้วเนี่ย
I pick this one you pick one
Okay. I have a big one here.
okay
โอ้เก่งมากได้ไหมปล่อยลงพัน
Big one.
ติดพันรวมพันเลย
We're gonna free you, crab.
คาเฟ่มีนะครับวันนี้เปิด
you have cafe
คาเฟ่ครับ
Be free, crab. Be free. What's that over there?
you gonna go to
เอาไปปล่อยหมูก่อน
Be free, crab. Be free. You walk on one side, I walk on the other side. We're gonna free the crabs today. Ah, this is pretty cool. And no mosquitoes. What's that say? Oh, for your safety of tourists, therefore temporarily closed for renovations. Okay. All right, we're on a journey to release these crabs. I call him Big Boy and No Leg Sam. No Leg Larry. That's it. What? What's that? Oh, there's a big crab. Look at this crab there. Huh. That's what it is.
over there
Yeah, they're all over the place. So, this is, they come here, right? They grab a crab, they put it in a jar, they put it up front, and you pay how much to release it? 30 baht? That's like what, 75 cents?
yeah
Wow.
$1
$1. That's like a sustainable way. A sustainable way of making a living off of these swamps. Because I mean, somebody built these. Oh, this is the crab launch. Look, guys. Look, this is the crab launch. You just drop it here and whoop, like a slide to freedom. Okay, good. It's like you're releasing the water, not the crab. Oh, he's not going anywhere. Look at him. He's right there. Go, go, go. There you go. Boom. He's free. All right, my turn. Okay, No Leg Larry. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Come on. Go, freedom. The other one to go. Go, go, go. you go. There you go. Okay. That's free enough. He's gone.
And take them slow.
Yeah.
They're watching you.
Bye. Bye, guys. They're free.
Sleep.
Huh?
Sleep.
Where?
Here, you see this?
Where?
Here. You see my hand? This head and you see?
It's a small snake. It looks like a non-poisonous snake. Right about there. See his head? Hello, snake. We see you. Wow. Well, maybe he is poisonous. Nothing. There's another crab over here. See it?
Give them.
We see you, crab. You can't hide from us, crab. There he is. Oh, he's gone. Wow, this is a real swamp. But it's so quiet, right? Yeah, the big one there. Wow. It's nice. Oh, look at this. This thing's falling apart. Oh, look at the holes up there. Look at that. The bottom of that's falling apart. That's why it's closed. Oh, yeah. Definitely. Yeah, I would say this is falling apart. Look at oh my goodness. Shit. Yeah, see that? I don't think this is good for 225 pounds. Let's get out of here. Upstairs, let's see. Rooftop. You know I like it when you're rooftop. What? Yeah. Man, I like to steam this guy. Look at them claws. Uh-oh, there's a soy dog. There is a soy dog in the house. I think I've disturbed his sleep. I guess this area is famous for mud crabs, I suppose. This is a big. I think I don't know what material that is. But it's pretty cool though. Yeah, the big crab.
You can tell him like you want the park,
Hmm?
the stop,
Yeah,
stop
of
for
course.
like
Yeah.
picnic.
Russian. Yeah, Rudel, you know, almost like Chinese. It's the same way. There you go.
แบบนึงครับผมนั่งเลย I was trying to get you to hold this and you like walk away like what are you doing
I was trying to get you to hold the camera.
ขวามือเนี่ยนกกระยางครับนกกระยางเห็นไหมครับที่ยินครับเนี่ยมองนี่ครับนกกระยางทางซ้ายมือนี้เขาเรียกต้นโพงทองนะครับนี่ครับออกไปเขียวๆออกเหลืองๆน้ำอ่อนนี้แหละครับนี่ครับ
The tree name Pom.
นะครับเดี๋ยวข้างในนี่ก็จะเป็นฟาร์มสวยๆนะครับในลักษณะต้นโพงทองนะครับผมเป็นอ่าวไผ่แหลมแม่พิมพ์ไปเทเกาะเสม็ดระยองนะครับทางนู้นนะครับนู่นครับทางนู้นนะครับ
เกาะเสม็ดใช่ไหมคะ
I think it's time for us to go back to shore. We're taking on some water.
หนูไปมาทุกเกาะแล้วเสม็ดก็ไปมา
Let's
แล้ว
go, my friend.
เสม็ด
I've seen enough.
นี่เกาะมันนอกนี่ก็มี
I've seen
มี
enough.
ที่พักใช่ไหม
มี
คะ
ที่พักเป็นรีสอร์ทครับต้องไปขึ้นค้างคาว
Wow, look at that. Wow.
I just personally scared.
Scared of what?
My leg not move. It scared me.
Ooh, getting high.
Baby, my leg not move.
What's wrong with you?
Why? Leave me alone.
How old are you? Can't even move?
My leg is not move. It's not for me.
When it's not about you. Isn't your leg part of you?
Why? You like a friend.
Isn't your leg part of you? Come on. Oh my God, you're funny. Wow. Look at all those bats over there. Unbelievable. You okay? Why is she walking so slow? Surrounded by greenery. Oh my goodness. Everywhere you go, it's greenery, greenery, greenery.